Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Anesthesia machine. The first anesthesia machine was designed by Edmund Gaskell Boyle. So the anesthesia machine, now we have the modern anesthesia machine. The modern anesthesia machine has three types of pressure systems. We have high pressure system, intermediate pressure system, and we also have low pressure system. High pressure system includes mainly the gas cylinders. Intermediate pressure system mainly involves the pipeline supply along with the oxygen flush, that is emergency oxygen flush, and low pressure system includes oxygen and nitrous oxide flow meter. So these are the in high pressure system, intermediate pressure system, and low pressure system. Pressure systems are of three types. High pressure system includes cylinders and yokes. Intermediate pressure system includes yoke to flow control knobs. Flow control knobs are the pressure reducing valves. Uh, Yoke to flow control valve. In intermediate pressure system, it starts from yoke to the flow control valves, and there are of three types. Three things are present in intermediate control system, that is pressure controlling valves, fail safe valves, and oxygen failure alarms are present. Low pressure system. In the low pressure system is downstream to control the downstream to flow control knobs, that is from flow control knobs to the machine outlet we have low pressure system. In the low pressure system we have rotameters and vaporizers are present. Oxygen flush. So in low control valve we have rotameter and vaporizers are present. So in high pressure systems, we have gas cylinders. Intermediate pressure systems, we have pipeline supply along with the emergency oxygen flush, pressure reducing valves, and fail safe valves also. Whereas low pressure system controls oxygen and nitrous oxide flow meters, vaporizers, common gas outlet, and hypoxia guards.
thank you and thank you for watching.